He comes from a land far, far away. A little place that some people call Great Britain. Exiled for streaking at the royal wedding, he left his motherland along with the only woman he ever truly loved, his horse, Tyrone. He traveled to the USA to resurrect the recession-riddled dance floors of America. With the big, long, pink, ding-dong penis, he could turn any bro down into a hoedown. He would turn any keg cup into legs up. He taught all nations and all peoples across all seas that in order to have the best dance party in the world, all you have to do is dance, 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 dance. And we danced, and we cried, and we laughed, and had a really, really, really good time. Take my hand, let's have a blast, and remember this moment for the rest of our lives. Our lives, our lives. Oh, 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 oh. Tonight, 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 'cause tonight's the night, am I right? Dance feels like a night for a party. My nature so naughty. There's a knock on the door, it's the neighbors. Quick cock blocking, we're having a hoedown. You hose down, don't let me pull my hose out, 'cause it's big, long, pink, strong. I've been known to dance like all night long. Grab my hand, play this song. DJ, save my life, come on. Leave your fear back off the wall. Free your beat and pussy pop. If you don't have a pussy, pop a cock into a boot tie. To a boot tie, yeah, yeah. And we danced, and we cried, and we laughed, and had a really, really, really good time. Take my hand, let's have a blast, and remember this moment for the rest of our lives. I am not going to stand on the wall. I will dance, I will dance, I will break that ass off. And I see you in the corner looking so small, doing the robot like if I died tonight, at least I went hard. I will not give a damn who watches me. I will live, liberate the thoughts in me. I will be the disco ball freak and give my all to whatever girl's booty I'm freaking on. I'm not skeeting, no, it's just freaking hot. Alright, I skeeted. I will not be a mannequin, no, the ego banish it. The roof's on fire, let's burn down the Vatican. I will moonwalk to Pluto in honor of Michael Jackson. In heaven he'll be saying, that man is tired of dancing. Rip to the king, Michael Jackson. We learned it all from you, dedicate this to the dance floor. Party out the sorrow till tomorrow morning happens. We pledge allegiance to the DJ, put your hands up. And we danced, and we cried, and we laughed, and had a really, really, really good time. Take my hand, let's have a blast, and remember this moment for the rest of our lives.
You see me looking at you from that bar right over there, but your friends are huddled up and they are hating on a player. I just wanna dance with you, get on the back of you, tip tap the boots, extract the truth. Dance with you, get on the back of you.